Welcome to class number 76. Last class we considered UVL represented by trapezium. It was this way. Left side minimum intensity, maximum, right side maximum intensity. Now, last class only I solved that question twice. Once considered trapezium as it is, and next I solved by dividing into rectangle and triangle. I told for those who are afraid of trapezium. Afraid means what? Those who find difficulty for trapezium. Okay, now, last class only I given the question. Next class question will be same way, other way. Left side maximum, right side minimum. Question is here. Those who want question in words, write it. A simply support beam of span 8 meter is loaded by an UVL which has maximum intensity of 36 kN per meter at the left end, which linearly reduces to 12 kN per meter at the right end. Draw SFD and BMD. So question given here. Don't see here now. Solution. Now onwards, all the questions same pattern. You should not see here first. This is after reactions are over, after calculation diagram. I always prefer SFD BMD diagram here. Sometimes I solve by alternative approach. Even if I solve by alternative approach, this diagram can never change. This you already know it. So solution starts here. See, option 1. Waves means you have to write. Those who are learning from me, you should listen what I am telling now and write. We'll same as last time. First we will solve considering, you have to write here if you want, considering the given load which is in the form of trapezium as it is, means we will consider trapezium only, because we know expressions how to find total load and also how to locate line of action either for full length or for partial length. Write all those things. Then start calculation of support reactions. Usual statement. Now onwards I am not writing. Let VA, VB dash 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 means you have to write vertical reactions at A and B respectively. We will assume both the reactions vertically up here, because if you can see here what I am assuming. Then put the loading diagram, take moment about A. Minus VB into 8 anti-clockwise, therefore minus, plus full load. The total load will be acting somewhere here. So the total load equal to area of the trapezium 36 plus 12 divided by 2 into 8. Explained many times. Multiplied by distance from here to here is 36 plus twice of 12 divided by 36 plus 12 into 8 by 3 equal to 0. You get VB. Sigma V0, only load, you get VA. It is possible some people who suddenly come here will tell nothing explained here, simply wrote something. Let them think that way. I told class number 76, start from class number 1. Study thoroughly, once in a lifetime. Study. Then you will tell I am explaining more than required. In my class also same thing. People will know that, sir, you are actually explained everything very thoroughly last time. Second time you are briefly applying, not required, we can make out. But what to do? Teacher's instinct. So little I am explaining, but everything you will follow if you start from beginning only. I am again insisting. Okay, now reactions are ready. Now go for SFD BMD. Okay, I will write all the required calculations here and then start SFD and BMD. Now everything is ready. Start. Shear force calculation. Come to A. Slightly you have to come inside. Look, this all to class number 76. So no point telling every time this one. VA equal to, how much you got there? You have to enter the value. I forgot to enter. 112 kilonewton, 80 kilonewton. Okay. Equal to plus 112. Shear force at B, slightly inside, equal to 112 minus this total load written there minus 80 kilonewton. SF variation is parabolic of second degree. Now, note, you have to write. Go back and draw shear force diagram. See, 112 plus minus 80, join this way. Make a note if you want. Last time, see, intensity was, I will not tell once again, no. It was like this. Less intensity here, high intensity here. So, here slope is lesser, here slope is more. Now reverse. High intensity here, less intensity here, See, here slope is more. Here slope is less, but not 0. See, when you reach here, it is not 0. By chance, the UVL is like this. Then it will be what? After coming here, it will be correctly this way, 0 slope. No. Even now some slope is there. If you have tangent here, slope is 112. If you have tangent here, slightly become inclined, slope equal to 80. Write those things. Okay. Go back and draw shear force diagram. Then again write there. If you want a thorough and clear understanding, all that I am telling, write it. Now observe the shear force diagram. Okay, observe. Decide or check, is the shear force diagram will cross the baseline somewhere? Answer is yes. Is the point known? No, unknown. Then location of the point where shear force equals 0. Unknown point. Let shear force equal 0 at a point x. See, I'll put one more diagram later. You can write here only, but I do not want disturb here. At a point x, at a small x from A. One note. You can take x from A or x from B. There is no problem, because if you take x from A this side, you get trapezium. If you take x from that side, again you get trapezium. So no problem. But for option 2, when I divide into rectangle and triangle, then you should take x from B. Because if you take x from A, you get trapezium. Somebody can tell that, no, I can do it. If you can do that way, then why you want option 2 first of all? You are going to option 2 when you want to avoid trapezium. So I will tell once again there. So this question, you can take A or B, whichever you want. We will take A. Okay. Then one diagram here, 36 here, 12 here. Statement you are right. Let W sub x be the intensity at x. Now, W sub x equal to 36. Go this way. Minus 36 minus 12 divided by 8 into x. Very sorry, I am not explaining mathematical concept. 3 classes are uploaded there. It is for your benefit. If you are not going to that one, then it is your problem. I told very clearly how to perform linear interpolation. I made it very, very easy. So many people are telling now, because of that class, the trouble of interpolation is completely gone. Okay, now this is the value. Y minus all told there. It will come 36 minus 3x. Now onwards, remember, to save the time in my class permanently, GB and E means not your mobile data GB. Go back and enter here, 36 minus 3x. Now, I'll continue here now. To locate the point x, equate shear force at x equals 0. You are looking this side, so look this side. Start. Shear force here. Plus 112 minus only this much load. 36 plus 36 minus 3x. 36 minus 3x by 2 into x. Sum of the two parallel sides divided by 2 into x equate to 0. You get a quadratic equation of this one. Solve the equation, you get 3.6733 meter. Therefore, one statement, shear force is 0 at 3.6733 meter from A. I forgot one thing. You have to write one more note here. Location of point where shear force 0, one more note there. That is the point where bending moment is going to be maximum. Here space problem is there. I am dictating. This I told you earlier so many times. Okay. Now once you get x, substitute that x value, you get Wx equal to 36 minus 3 into x came 24.98. 980. I will round up to third decimal. Later, I will check, because 0 I will skip. Now, go back and enter. See, come back here. I got x equal to, enter here, whatever you got. 3.6733 meter. See, these are all, here, this will be equal to 24.98. Actually, kilonewton per meter. This meter should be black color. Red for special. Over. All enter now. Lastly, BM calculation. Start. BM at A, 0. BM at B, 0. Also, BM at the point X. See here. Plus 112 into 3.6733 positive minus moment of this load about this point. 36 plus 24.98 divided by 2 into this distance will give total load. It will pass somewhere here. So into this distance is, from here I want 24.98 plus twice of 36 divided by 24.98 plus 36 into 3.6733 divided by 3. I wrote there plus 193.316 kilonewton meter will come. BM variation is parabolic of third degree. This only will tell you, not required. See, it is parabolic of third degree because when shear force is second degree, BM is, of course, if you write the BM expression here in terms of x, it will come in x cube only. Okay, then note, go back and draw BMD. Okay, I have drawn BMD here. It's a smooth line. See. Okay, no problem. These corrections I don't want to make. Okay. People are there for commenting. Okay, now see. 0 here, 0 here. This is how much? 193.316 kilonewton meter. And one more thing, you have to write where is that maximum BM. It is here. Don't write x here. You write the answer at 3.6733 meter here. Meter can be black. Okay. That's all, no problem. Over. This point x also not required. Fully clear. You can call the point as x or some other name c if you want. Over. This is the bending moment arrow. One more thing. See. Maximum shear force 112. More slope here. Shear force 80. Lesser slope here. So if you draw a tangent here, slope will be more. If I draw tangent here, slope will be less. This all I told. This will complete SFD BMD for this example considering trapezium as it is. Now, alternate solution I'll give next class. I don't want to make big classes. Just one important information. See, one very important information. Let me check the camera once. Okay, no problem. Now, important information is just observe here. See, I told you can take x from A. Suppose you take x from B. See what happens now. Just for understanding purpose. Suppose you take x from B. See what will happen. I will guarantee same answer will come. Now you are taking x from B. Here. This will go. This will go. This you require. I can write the answer now only. Because just because you take x from B, BMD cannot change. When you got 3.6733 from this side, subtract from 8, you will get 4.3267 meter. My guarantee. And now, just let us get it. BM once again will come same. Okay, I have got forward the plus answer here. Okay. Plus. Now, see. Let Wx be the intensity at x. Now, your x is from this side. Change it. No problem. See. Your x you are taking from this side. See, sometimes people will tell this is a risk. Solving alternate solution. If answer is not coming, people will be in problem. No, nothing to worry. I will never be in problem. This is reaction equal to 80 kilonewton. Okay. This point is x. X from here you are taking. Okay. Then, intensity of the load will be, actually 24.98 will come. I will enter here. I am so sure 24.98 has to come. It cannot change. Why? It is the same point. Okay, still. Okay, 24.8 has to come. Start solving. Now, from here you are doing W suffix x equal to interpolation. Start from here. Not 36, 12 plus 36 minus 12 by 8 into x. Now, this time plus y. Mathematical concept, class number 3 will complete your clarification. Or this will come 36 plus 3x. Go back and enter. 36 plus 3 times x. Okay. Then, to locate x, equate shear force at x to 0. Shear force at x equal to, now you have to look right side. You have to look right side now, not left side. So, I will do one thing now. I will bend and write. Because standing I cannot write. Okay. You can't see me, but I will explain. Okay. And how many times I told I don't remember. If you look right side, see. Left up, right down is our sign convention. Right side means up is negative, down positive. So it is minus 80 plus the total load. Now you should look this side. See, this is the load you have to consider. Total load equal to, it is 24.98 plus 12 divided by 2 multiplied by x. This is the shearing force at x equal to 0. When you simplify, you will get 12, 24, how much is 12 by 24.98 plus 12. Is it correct? Yes. Now you can get 24.98 plus 12 divided by 2 into x. Anything wrong? 24.98. How is 24.98? See, 30. You are right, first right in terms of W. 36 plus 3x. I was wondering what happening. Okay. See, sometimes it happens that way. 3x. This one, 36 plus 3x plus 12 divided by 2 multiplied by x. Such things happen always in life. See, I should have entered that one later. That's why equal to 0. Or you will get 3 by 2 into x is 1.5x square. You will get 1.5x square. Then 36 plus 12. 36 plus 12 is, or you can tell 36 plus 12 is 48 by 2 is 24 plus 24 times x minus 80 equal to 0 is the quadratic equation to be solved. Okay. Actually not required to solve. X has to come from this side. Calculate required. 3.6733 minus 8. X has to come 4.3267 meter. Anyway, let me check. 24 square plus 4 into 80 into 1.5 equal to root answer equal so much minus 24 divided by 3. Something wrong. 36 plus 12 is 48 by 2 is 24, or 24 square plus 4 into 1.5 into 80 equal to root so much 32 point something minus 24 divided by 3. I'm putting 2.83. No, something went wrong now. We'll check once again now. Minus 80 plus 36 plus 3x. 36 plus 3x. See, let me see where is the mistake. See, mistake is here. I found the mistake. See, you don't call this as a mistake. These are sometimes when you write the answer before it happens. Because I should not have written that one. So, this is not 36. This is 12. See here, 12. Therefore, this is 12. Okay, it's nothing to panic. See, I am not re-recording for this purpose. Why? I have got confidence. If something is not tallying, some mistake is there, calculation mistake. See, I forgot to rub that one. This will come correct. So this will be, see, here I wrote correctly. I forgot to enter there. So it is how much? It is 12 here. Okay, let me see what happens now. The equation will come 1.5 square, 12 plus 12 by 2 is 12x plus 12x minus 80 equal to 0. See, if such things happens, I am not worried because I know ultimately what I want answer, it will come. So now solving 12 square plus 4 into 80 into 1.5 equal to root answer minus 12 divided by 3. 4.3267 meter. See, now by chance, if I had not checked this one, some comment would have come. He made a mistake there while simplifying. He got 12 here, entered the 24 there. Then how you got the answer? See, comment. That's why sometimes I feel checking is always better. Okay, over. These are called, see, it is a human nature to make such mistakes. But what mistake will not come is technical mistake. Tomorrow I will not come and tell, see something wrong here, this was here, that is wrong. That way I never told so far, will not tell now, will not tell in future also. So now, therefore, shear force is 0 at how much? 4.3267 meter from B. Now substituting x equal to 4.3267 meter, the intensity will come 12 plus 3 into 4.3267. This I am not checking. This will come 4.3267, correct? This will come 24.98. Anyway, check it. Why unnecessary waste? Plus 12 plus 3 into 4.3267 is 24.98 kN per meter. Go back and enter here x equal to 4.3267 meter, and this is 24.98. Lastly, BM calculation. BM at A0, BM at B0. Now BM at this point x equal to, you have to look this side, 80 into x. See, it will become 80. I will use black color only now. 80 into 4.3267. Then all this will go, but this will remain. Then minus moment of this load, 24.98 plus 12 divided by 2 into 4.3267. 3267 is the total load multiplied by, I am not explaining why, this reaction into x positive minus moment of this load, total load over, it will act here, from here to here is, from here to here I want 24.98 plus twice of 12 divided by 24.98 plus 12 into 4.3267 divided by 3. This time I am not going to check it. I got confidence. It will come 193.316 km meter. BM is parabolic. Go back. Now when you draw BMD, see, you should write this distance. Why? Because you locate from here, or when this is if this is known, you can get this one. Or if you want to do one thing, write both the distances. Okay, safer side. How much it is? I forgot now. That is, I don't know where. Again you have to calculate. 8 minus 4.3267 is 3.6733. 3.6733. 33 meter. This is the bending moment arm. Now hope that any corrections are carried out now. By chance, I don't want to give scope for anyone to unnecessary comment. Anyway, those who understand from me in class and study from me, you know, sometimes see what happened earlier. I got 12 here, but here forgot to change. That's why, see, immediately x value came wrong. I did not get panic. See, suddenly when x comes something else, I already told you x has to come 4.3267. When it is not coming, generally people get panic or little panic. In my case, no panic. I will just look here. Only chance is some calculation mistake or print mistake. I usually call print mistake or writing mistake. So rectify it. It will come. Okay, now completely over. Class number 76 over now. 77, what I will do is, I will consider this UVL like this and one triangle. So that I will divide into rectangle and triangle and solve fully in class number 77. Maybe because for a change, I may explain more. But you should, in the comment section, you should write not required, because whatever, how much I explained so far is over explanation. So it is not required. Serious people will understand. Okay, we will meet in class number 77 now with the same question. I won't write anything there. I won't tell that I am going to solve option. I will directly start, instead of option 1, I will start option 2 or second solution. How I will tell there and start. Okay, thank you.